oto. You need some ingredients, and the ingredients are yam, onion, egg, pepper, ginger, garlic, and a cube of Maggi. You have seen that we have a mango. It's our dessert for the day. So after preparing the oto, you eat mango as a dessert. Then we will use palm oil to prepare the oto. So after preparation, you will see how we will add everything together to have a good taste. Thank you. Jene, kosia, garlic, onion, akikedru, meko, Maggi, ngo koko, and mango for dessert.
Na pacho, you want to use green peppers right now?
Oh, you can use green pepper if you like.
Okay, sure. All right.
First, I have portioned my yam and I'm washing it before I will peel. I'm peeling the yam. Because we will mash, it shouldn't be too small in size. So I will just apportion it into two. This one is bigger than the other one, so I'm going to portion it into three. Now I'll wash it and put it on fire.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, then you save to put inside the video.
Yeah. So she's going to be adding salt today.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you add.
I'm adding salt into it.
The preferred amount you want. Yeah. She's adding the pepper to it. So when it's boiled, she would come and take it out and grind it up.
Our yam is ready, so I'm coming to grind my pepper, ginger, and then garlic together and mix it with the mashed yam. So you see, I have my garlic and chopped ginger and some onion. I'm shredding the onions for me to have easy way of mashing it.
Or grinding it.
Then you put in little salt again. So I'm coming to mash it. My boiled pepper. I will grind until it becomes smooth. I have my smooth tester before I will add the yam. the boiled yam. Now you can see that our pepper, onion, ginger, garlic is well mashed. You can see that it's very smooth. Then you put in your yam, your boiled yam, and mash. So I'm coming to do that. You shouldn't wait till the yam get cold. Other than that, you can mash it. If you mash it, you get some bubbles in it.
Lumps or
oh, so lumps in it. Yes.
Madam. So can we add plantain to it, or can we use plantain for it?
Yes, we have plantain on top, and this one is yam.
Okay. This one, if you don't have muscles, you can't do. Oh, but you can just grind it. What's up, guys? So I want you to do something for me right now. You see that red button down there that you've written subscribe? Please click on it and click on that notification bell just right beside it, so whenever I post, you'll be notified. And yeah, make sure you drop a purple heart down below in the comment section, and I guarantee you I'm gonna like each and every one. And drop a comment if you want to drop, and I'll surely give you a reply. Thank you for subscribing. I love you.
We have finished with our mashed yam. We are going to add what? Palm oil into it to make our oto. And go the red palm oil. Or ngo cocoa. So you see, we have our oto. I heated the oil before adding it to the oto.
Okay. But we can mix with a spoon, right?
Yeah, you can mix with spoon or fork.
Okay.
I'm adding some cube to it.
Maggi cube.
Maggi cube to make it taste good.
I think, is it Etor or Oto?
Some people call it oto. And some other
Tribes
to call it etor.
Oh, okay.
Etor is from Ekwapem. Those from the eastern regions say call it etor. And the fact Achems and Asantis call oto.
Okay, so we eat it with egg. So we'll garnish it and then we'll get back to you. So we are done with the top. We can add pear to it, but currently we don't have pear in the house. So yeah, this is it, and this is how it's mostly garnished. So I'm going to give it a bite. You can eat it with either your hand or a fork or a spoon. So I'm eating it with a fork. I like to eat mine with the egg. Let's bite. Done with the food and now taking the mango as dessert. So yeah. So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you like it. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Why not subscribing? Yeah. And drop a purple heart down below in the comment section. Without further ado, bye bye for now. Wow. So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you like. Oh, nah,